moment was when we were actually forming our stories, we were adding more to it, and also listening to what others wrote, so that helped us evolve our stories. We actually worked as a team, so that's the best part.
So did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun, and
What was your favourite?
my favorite bit was perhaps when we had to write agnostic poems with the names of our characters, and then we had to use just the vowels in that name to create words. I mean, that made me get super creative and really hunt for the correct words.
Thank you. Have you enjoyed the experience?
Yes.
Meena, go first.
What did you like best?
So actually, we've never really had to work with limited things. Like usually when we have to write a script or act, we are free to pick things. But here we were limited to an object, a place, and a name. So that actually brought it down. And once we sort of fixed those, we had a clear story in our heads. So that was great.
Actually, the thing with literature is what I feel always is like when someone gives you a topic to write on, it's more like bargaining and trade and commerce. Like you write on this because we need this. It's more of a trade and commerce than actually of creativity. But then what ma'am did with us is like she just said, gave us points how to write. She never told us what to write. So we knew what we didn't know what to write, neither did she. But at the end we ended up with something so great that even we didn't expect we would end up with. So it's a really unique experience where there was no trade and commerce involved in it. There was literally creativity there.
So, while we were writing, our choices, they were open to interpretation. So it was very engaging, and like seeing ma'am's performance also the other day, we've never seen something like that before. We've always been a part of a really wholesome production, and but seeing one person engage so many people, such a huge crowd, just with voice, just with emotions and actions.
For 1 hour, and everyone was
Exactly.
like standing.
It was
sitting
an
still.
amazing experience.
What I liked best was I could force myself to find my stage right, and I could convince others that I'm a completely different person with different physical features. Yeah. So I just liked it a lot. I made a lot of beautiful memories. That's all.
So did you enjoy it?
Yeah, of course, I enjoyed it a lot, and this is a completely new experience for me because I'm not into too much of writing and stuff. I'm mostly how do you call it? I draw and I paint and I make films as such. But this is a completely new thing for me, and I just loved how Catherine guided us through the whole process, and I've learned so much, especially the part where she was saying that how restrictions can be used to our advantage. And I figured out that if you draw a person in 5 seconds, that drawing turns out better than if you draw it in 5 minutes. And that's the whole thing, you need to feel it out, and that's what she taught me, to write my heart out, and I loved it. I cannot express how I feel right now, but it was amazing.